we're celebrating the release of Star Wars, The Rise of Skywalker.
If you've taken a flight over the summer or over the holidays, you may have noticed some Spider-Man or Star Wars related safety videos on all United Airlines flights.
From all of us, thank you and enjoy your flight.
Well, in addition to the safety videos, United Airlines also had some fun special edition amenity bags to go along with the videos, which we'll be unboxing or unbagging today. So let's see what's inside these bags. Let's start with the Spider-Man bag.
Wow. What is it? Spider-Man postcard.
Oh yeah, look, and you can even have your stamp there, your address, send it to a friend, tell them about your experience on United Airlines. Oh, that's fun. What else? What else?
And an eye mask.
Oh yeah,
Spider-Man bag.
An eye mask. That's nice. Oh, it's nice and soft. Look, touch. Wow, that must be nice. Getting kind of sleepy. And some
socks.
Oh, socks. Oh, and they've got the little grippy, they're little grippy socks so you don't slip on the plane, you know.
So like you have webs on your feet.
Oh,
Spider webs.
yeah. Spider-Man socks. Wow.
And we have some Spider-Man spiderweb tissue.
Oh, yeah. Now these must be silky soft. What else? What else?
This is a toothbrush.
Oh, good. Yeah, here's
Spider-Man toothbrush.
dental kit. So yeah, there's a toothbrush, I think, and some toothpaste, and a toothbrush cover. And what else? What else?
Some earplugs.
Oh, earplugs. Okay, those are nice on the plane. Always gotta appreciate the earplugs. And
some
SundayRiley. Wonder what this is. Exclusively for United Polaris. Should we open it up? Okay. Whoa. Okay, we've got the hand cream. Instantly moisturizing. Sounds nice, especially when you're on a long flight. Exclusively made for Polaris. Then we've got the face cream. Lightweight, calming, and hydrating. In-flight remedy. Sounds nice as well. There it is. We've got the lip balm with a picture of an airplane. Yep, in-flight remedy. There you go, Polaris. And then we've got the facial cleansing cloth. Refreshes and cleanses the skin. And there it is. And they've even got directions so you know exactly how to use it. And finally, oh, this is a nice surprise. You get a 20% off discount code. But I'm sorry, I believe we're gonna have to blur those numbers out because I want to use it for myself. Anything else? Oh, a pen. United Airlines pen. This is a perfect size for, you know, your travel bag. Oh, whoops, there we go. Perfect size to keep in your little travel pouch for all the customs and immigration forms. And I think that's it. Next up, we've got our Star Wars bag. The Rise of Skywalker. Shall we dig in? Okay, here we go. Oh, look! Before we begin, this is actually You get to keep this on your backpack or with you at all times because it's its own keychain. That's pretty neat. I like that.
Great.
But for now, let's clip it on. Anyway, let's see what's inside the bag. Would you like to do the honors?
Yes.
He's got the giggles. Okay. Wow.
Oh.
First things first, gotta keep those feet warm on the plane with some Star Wars socks.
There's like little stars.
Oh yeah, for Star Wars. And non-slip, so you don't slip while you're walking around on the airplane. Those are nice. They feel much nicer than the Spider-Man ones. Look, touch the insides.
Wow, yeah.
Okay, let's see what else is in here.
The Rise of Skywalker. Only in theaters.
Tissues, yes. Let's see what else.
Some earplugs.
Oh, earplugs. Those are always nice to have on the airplanes. And these are special Star Wars earplugs. Let's see what else is inside.
Whoa, and some Star Wars star eye mask.
Oh, yeah. See? Wow, that's nice. And then, oh, yeah. Very soft, just like the Spider-Man one.
Touchy-feely.
Oh, yeah. Nice and soft. What else is in here?
Dental kit.
Oh, a dental kit. So toothbrush and toothpaste, and I think the toothbrush even has a little cap, which is very nice. Keep it clean. There it is, all black for Star Wars. So far we've had all the same items. Let's see if there's anything special in this one. But of course this is themed for Star Wars, and the other one's all red and themed for Spider-Man.
A pen.
Oh yeah, a United Airlines pen. Just like the other kit. Very handy when you're filling out all your forms before you land. And finally, one more thing. SundayRiley exclusively for Polaris. So let's see what this one has. And sure enough, here's the face cream, just like the one in the Spider-Man Amenity kit.
They're really like the same.
Let's see. Here is the hand cream. Yep, same thing again.
And
Let's see if it's the same. Let's see if there's some...
lip balm.
Ah, there it is, the lip balm. Really comes in handy when you're flying, especially on those long international flights. And, oh yep, just as I suspected, the facial cleansing cloth, just like the Spider-Man bag. Oh, and I almost forgot, you get your 20% discount promo code here too. So basically you're getting the same products, just in different colors. The Star Wars bag being black and the Spider-Man bag being red themed. It's a really nice bag as well, as was the Spider-Man one. So you can keep these and make them your toiletries bag when you get home and take another flight. There we go.
Oh, but the Spider-Man bag had a postcard.
Oh, that's right. I forgot. And we did not get a postcard in the Star Wars bag. So that is, yeah, the difference. And that is a nice little touch, especially for the kids. They can write to their friends and tell them that they've been on United Airlines Polaris. Oh, but you know what? Now that we think about it, although the Spider-Man bag had a postcard, the Star Wars bag has a keychain that you can keep with you at all times if you'd like.
Oh, yeah.
Comes right off. But the Spider-Man zipper was a spider, remember? Which was kind of cool too. So yeah, it depends on your preference, I suppose. Which one did you like better?
I don't know, maybe Spider-Man.
I think I like the Star Wars one. So you keep the Spider-Man, I'll keep the Star Wars one. Win-win.
Comment below if you'd like to see more videos like this.
Do have a pleasant flight, and may the Force be with you.